Introducing the Rarapop 6 Set Cupcake Boxes. If you're a baker or simply love cupcakes, then this product is perfect for you. Let's dive into its amazing features. First and foremost, these cupcake boxes are food safe. Unlike plastic products, they are made from high-quality food-safe paper. This ensures that your delicious cupcakes stay fresh and moist until they're ready to be devoured. One of the standout features of these cupcake carriers is the removable insert. This insert can hold a dozen cupcakes securely, preventing them from sliding around during transportation. And if you want to use the box for other desserts, simply remove the insert and voila! More space for your delightful treats. Another great feature is the transparent window on the top of the cupcake box. This window allows you to display your mouthwatering pastries while keeping them fresh. Rest assured, the window is securely glued, so you don't have to worry about it falling off. The Rarapop cupcake boxes are also designed with the perfect size in mind. They measure 12.8 x 10 by 3.5 inches, providing generous space for your cupcakes. The insert measures 2.56 in diameter and is deep and wide enough to hold both small and large cupcakes. Not only are these cupcake boxes practical, but they also make great handmade gifts. They are perfect for takeaway options at bakeries, pastry shops, and cafes. You can use them to pack small cakes, cupcakes, pies, pastries, desserts, donuts, cookies, and other sweets. The possibilities are endless. Now, let's take a look at some important product information. The ASIN for these cupcake boxes is B0C8CP5VHQ. With an impressive customer review rating of 4.7 out of 5 stars, you can trust that this product is loved by many. It is also ranked number 6,347 in the kitchen and dining category, and it's the number 3 best seller in cupcake carriers. Please keep in mind that this product is designed for use in the US, and outlets and voltage may differ internationally. If you plan to use this product outside of the US, make sure to check compatibility and consider purchasing an adapter or converter. In conclusion, the Rarapop 6 Set Cupcake Boxes are a must-have for any cupcake enthusiast or baker. With their food-safe material, removable insert, transparent window, perfect size, and versatility, these cupcake boxes are a game changer. Get yours today and elevate your cupcake experience.